So they do this every couple of years, close the road off and race their cars around. I personally don't quite understand the appeal of it. If I want to see cars driving fast, I'll go stand by the motorway. But took the day to get the snow off the roof and start planning the back bench for the van. And the theme of recycle, repurpose and reuse continues. You may remember the aluminium roof ladder that I cut up to make the back compartment at the back of the van for tools. Well, I've still got half of that ladder left, and it turns out that's going to be the perfect starting point for this back bench. So as well as repurposing the old ladder, the part of the old ladder that's left, I'm going to make use of another free resource that I've got, and that's some of the aluminium that I've got stored. I was so impressed with the finish that I got on the tabletop that I did with the graphite paste that I decided I want to try and use the same surface treatment and same material elsewhere on the van, and that means I'm going to be surfacing the front of this bench with that. Beautiful day here, by the way. The temperature's above zero and things are melting fast. You will remember that I am reinstalling some of the radiator system that was originally in the van at floor level, running around the whole of the back end of the van. And I'm going to incorporate that part of the radiator system into this front panel of the back bench. Bit difficult to explain. You'll see what I mean as I go along here. Here you start to see what I mean about putting the radiator in. Anyway, the graphite paste treatment on the aluminium, this time I made a bit of a mistake. Previously I had sanded it with I think 240 grit paper and then 400 grit paper. This time I forgot to do the intermediary stage of the 240 grit, went straight to 400. The result is not quite as nice, but I decided to continue experimenting and try a second coat, see how that works. So it's pretty clear spring is on its way. In the glorious heat of the midday sun, it hit 4 degrees above freezing. Felt quite tropical. I even got to take my jacket off. I haven't forgotten that I said I was going to put a hatch in this, and it's not going to be a big hatch, but there's still going to be a hatch. I'm not exactly sure what this stuff is. Is it a ground sheet for putting under a sleeping bag or something like that? Reflective on one side, insulative on the other side. But it's going to get cut up and used for this. So I kind of made this thing up as I went along. Originally I was thinking I would fill the gaps between the rungs of the ladder with insulation, but then I realised I put aluminium on the back, aluminium on the front, with the radiator running down below, then it kind of turns this whole thing into like a radiator. So I put some holes in here for some heat to come out. And remember that this, if this is being used as a bed and it's pulled out, so it'll be twice this width, that means there's a radiator right in the middle of the bed, which I kind of like that idea. Now I've got to figure out what I'm going to do behind there. Going to be a storage box up to here because that door only comes to here. I'm probably going to put aluminium across here, a couple of metal supports, and then some wooden slats. But I'll make that up as I go along as well. And it seems I've made another mistake somewhere along the way. I put this sheet of aluminium in and it's at completely the wrong angle. It's meant to be horizontal, so I measured something wrong. And that's okay, it's good to have challenges. This is a challenge for tomorrow. I'll sleep on this one and get back to it in the morning.